I could
There
have
are
done that.
times when you cannot handle your opponents by yourself, and you have no choice but to flee. Get out of there as fast as you can and try to lose your pursuers.
Alright,
You've
let's
got
see
to
what I
put
can
some
do.
distance between them and you. Keep it up long enough and your pursuers will lose sight of you and be forced to give up.
Alright, who's pursuing me? Oh, the cop cars. Okay. How many fucking gears does this car have? Yeah, I kind of realized that, guys. I'm kind of stuck here. Alright. Well, I guess we're going to try that one
There
again.
are times when you cannot handle your opponents by yourself.
Note to
and you
self,
have
there's
no
a fucking
choice but
roundabout
to
there.
flee. Get out of there as fast as you can and try to lose your pursuers. You've got to put some distance between them and you. Keep it up long enough and your pursuers will lose sight of you and be forced to give up.
Yeah, that's all great and wonderful, but... Suck it, bitches! I got nitrous oxide! Alright, so I've lost them. At least for the time being. Okay, so let's do this in a way that I don't magically glitch through the planters and shit. That's probably for the best. Ow! Apparently... Well, I'm maintaining my distance, but mostly because I can't actually turn my vehicle anymore.
Okay, well done. Now get back to the mining site. We've prepared 3 car wrecks so you can test the remote-controlled drone. This is some pretty expensive and dangerous equipment, so you will only have access to it on certain missions. You need to be prepared then.
How the fuck do I... Alright, I guess we're gonna restart that one because I blew the tires off of my fucking
There
car.
are times when you cannot handle your
God
opponents
damn
by
it.
yourself, and you have no...
Yeah, I get it. I get it. Next time, don't blow out my tires on a log. I was told that this shit could handle it, but apparently I was wrong. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Alright, so I took a turn that I think threw them off a little bit. Oh shit, they're right behind me again. God damn it. Thought I had it this time. What? Oh, that took some nerves of steel. God damn.
Okay, well done. Now get back to the mining site. We've prepared 3 car wrecks so you can test the remote-controlled drone. This is some pretty expensive and dangerous equipment, so you will only have access to it on certain missions. You need
I'm
to
okay
be
with that.
prepared then.
Alright, you know what I think I need? I need some sirens. Get the fuck out of my way, bitches! Get out my way! I'm a cop! I don't think that actually doesn't... Is there a dude in the seat next to me? Oh, I am so sorry, guy. Oh, man. I am just... I feel so bad now. I did not know you were there. And I have probably not made your life the most pleasant life ever. I mean, that's pretty shitty of me. I'm sorry, passenger guy. But let's get on to the drones.
First, I want you to test the drone on stationary targets. Use the action button to activate the device, move it under your target, and hit the action button again.
What the fuck is the action button? I don't know what the action button is, guys. Use the action button to move it under my target, and the action button to do something with the something. I don't know what the action button is. What the fuck is the action button? Ah, god damn it, I guess we're gonna have to look this up. Alright. Let's figure out what the action button is. Controls? Controls anywhere? God damn it, I don't see any fucking controls. Shit. Roadmap? No? No, that's not gonna be... That's not helpful at all. This must be an old-ass game, because I have a lot of fucking... What are the red dots? I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm confused. There's an action button, I guess? Is that like an instant replay of what I just did? Okay, so apparently that's what that button does. Nope, that's what that button does. That's... Hey, there's a dude. Hi, dude. Ooh, that's camera mode. Okay. Oh my god, I've got turn signals! Neat. Okay. No, wait, what? Wait, what? Alright, so that's... What's my action button? Nope, that's not my action button. Oh. Oh, shit. Okay, so F is my action button. Oh, shit, I'm a tiny little RC car that is like... Okay, I don't know what happened there.
Good. Move on to the next target.
Oh. Okay, that's easy enough. Alright, so the action button is F. So I park, then I blow shit up. Seems simple enough. I need to hit 110 to get over that, apparently. 110 what? I have no idea. And fuck you, car!
Move on to the next target.
I'm confused as to why it's considered property damage when it's my own car that's being damaged. I mean, obviously these walls are not any worse for the wear, because otherwise these walls would be seriously fucked up. Like irreparable, because... unrepairable. Unput back togetherable. Because I have rammed these bastards hardcore. Oh, that was the end of it. Okay. Woo!
Excellent. Now, for your final exercise, you will need to destroy a moving target. We have started a remote-controlled vehicle. Take up pursuit and stop it.
Okay, so I gotta destroy this bitch. And fuck you! Where's he going? Nope, he didn't go up there. Okay. I guess we're going through this little shit path down the middle of the thing here. Alright, so we gotta destroy this bastard. Do I have little drone guys? Because if I had the... Ah, what the fuck? Holy shit. Alright, so that ain't gonna work. Fuck you. Fuck off, car! Ow. Alright, I guess we're going in this thing then, because I just high-centered the fucking pursuit vehicle. What the fuck just happened? I am so confused. I don't know what just happened. I don't know where I just went, but I'm frightened. That scared me. So this appears to be a fair... Ah, shit! Alright, I guess we're going remote control explodey vehicle again, because I wonder what the range on this little thing is. He has a hell of a remote range.
Congratulations. Boom! This year's driving training with flying colors.
Alright, I blew his ass up. Woo! Yeah. Alright, so I guess I guess we did some good there. That was the tutorial. I guess now we can patrol, we can do some cases, we can race, I guess. Did a lot of property damage there. But, you know. So if you guys found this particularly interesting, let me know, and I will continue the series. Otherwise, I mean, I might continue it just because, you know, I like playing it. I like racing games. I used to play them a lot. I used to play a lot of the Burnout games and the original Need for Speeds and things like that before they got all kind of shitty. But, yeah, we'll, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see if I want to continue playing it. Otherwise, I will see you guys next time. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.